Imagine this. Somewhere in the silent darkness of our Milky Way, a tiny black hole, smaller than a city, yet heavier than the moon, is slowly dying. Not with a bang, but by quietly evaporating into pure energy, releasing a mysterious burst of neutrinos, ghost particles that pass right through matter. In 2023, Earth's telescopes picked up something strange, a powerful neutrino event unlike anything we've seen before. Could it be the final whisper of an evaporating black hole, right in our cosmic neighborhood? Welcome back, wonderful person. You are watching Space 2 Theories, and if you love space, astronomy, and the mysteries of the universe, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps us keep exploring the cosmos together. Part 1. The 2023 Neutrino Mystery. In August 2023, scientists at the IceCube Neutrino Observatory in Antarctica detected a sudden spike of high-energy neutrinos, invisible, nearly massless particles that rarely interact with anything. These neutrinos traveled across the cosmos and somehow reached our planet. At first, astronomers thought it might be a supernova or a gamma-ray burst, both known sources of energetic neutrinos. But there was a problem. There were no explosions, no visible radiation, and no known cosmic source in that direction of the sky. It seemed like these neutrinos had come from empty space. That raised one chilling question. If there's no visible star, no cosmic explosion, then what created these particles? Part 2. The black hole connection. A new theory soon began circulating among astrophysicists. What if these neutrinos were born from a primordial black hole, one that was evaporating near our solar system? Primordial black holes, or PBHs, are ancient relics formed in the first second after the Big Bang. While massive black holes form from collapsing stars, PBHs could have formed from dense clumps of matter in the early universe. Some could be as small as an asteroid, yet incredibly dense. Stephen Hawking predicted that black holes aren't eternal. They slowly lose energy through a process called Hawking radiation. As they lose mass, they get hotter, and their evaporation accelerates until, boom, they release one final burst of radiation and particles. And that includes, you guessed it, neutrinos. So when the IceCube detector picked up an unexpected shower of neutrinos in 2023, some scientists began to wonder, could we be witnessing the final moments of an evaporating black hole, maybe just hundreds of light years away? Part 3. What is Hawking radiation? Let's quickly understand how this mysterious process works. According to quantum mechanics, space is never truly empty. It constantly buzzes with virtual particle pairs, one matter particle and one antimatter particle, that pop into existence and vanish in an instant. Now, near the edge of a black hole, called the event horizon, something strange happens. If one of those virtual particles falls into the black hole while the other escapes, the escaping particle becomes real energy released into space. To conserve energy, the black hole loses a tiny fraction of its mass. Over billions of years, this gradual loss causes the black hole to shrink and heat up, releasing gamma rays, X-rays, and neutrinos. When the black hole reaches its final stages, it emits a violent burst of radiation, a cosmic death cry that could be visible across galaxies. Part 4. Evidence building up. So, what evidence links the 2023 neutrino event to this theory? The neutrinos came from a very narrow region in the sky, not spread out, suggesting a single, point-like source. The detected neutrinos had extremely high energies, higher than typical cosmic rays or solar neutrinos. This pattern fits predictions from Hawking evaporation. Unlike supernovae or quasars, this event had no visible light or gamma-ray burst, meaning it might have originated from a tiny invisible object, like an evaporating PBH. According to recent models, if a primordial black hole with a mass around 10–11 kilograms, about the mass of a small mountain, existed near our solar system, it could now be entering its final evaporation phase, releasing exactly this kind of neutrino signal. Part 5. How close could it be? Now here's the wild part. How close is this mysterious black hole? The data suggests the source could be anywhere from 300 to 1,000 light-years away. That's relatively close in cosmic terms, practically in our galactic neighborhood. At that distance, even a powerful burst wouldn't harm Earth, but it would be detectable by our observatories. Some physicists speculate that there might be millions of such tiny black holes wandering through our galaxy right now, leftovers from the Big Bang, slowly evaporating one by one. And if even one of them finishes evaporating in our lifetime, it could produce one of the most spectacular light shows in the sky, a brief but brilliant gamma-ray flash lasting less than a second. Part 6. What this means for science. If confirmed, this discovery would be revolutionary. It would provide the first direct evidence of Hawking radiation, a phenomenon that's remained purely theoretical since 1974. It would also confirm that primordial black holes exist, giving us new clues about the early universe, dark matter, and cosmic evolution. In fact, some scientists believe that PBHs could make up a fraction of dark matter, the mysterious substance that makes up about 85% of the universe's mass, but doesn't emit or absorb light. The 2023 Neutrino Event could be the first breadcrumb in unraveling that grand cosmic mystery. So, to sum it up, a strange neutrino burst in 2023 puzzled scientists. No known cosmic source matched the data. Theoretical models suggest it could be the final breath of an evaporating black hole somewhere near our corner of the galaxy. If that's true, then we just witnessed one of the rarest events in the universe, the quiet death of a black hole. And the fact that Earth's instruments picked it up means we're entering a new era of multi-messenger astronomy, where we can detect not just light, but the ghostly whispers of dying cosmic giants. What do you think? Was this neutrino event really caused by an evaporating black hole, or something even stranger that we haven't imagined yet? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow space lovers. And of course, subscribe to Space 2 Theories for more cosmic mysteries explained with wonder and science. Until next time, keep looking up, because out there the universe is full of secrets, waiting for us to find them.